We plan to use the funds provided by Kickstarter to mass produce our design that fits all 5 components into one. The first component is the main controller.
With this you can watch video, music, photo, streaming. Like you see one HDMI here, one HDMI there. When the computer turns on, the main controller, you can see the lights like that. And it's a great surface. So 5 or 6 devices in one.
Next we have the LED controller.
This is the LED controller.
The LED controller controls the LED lights around the TV, synchronizing them and adjusting the way they project. Next we have the LED RGB light strip. The LED RGB light strip is a strip of LED lights that will be mounted around your TV. These lights will project behind a television, creating a beautiful 4th dimension. Next we have the motion sensor. The motion sensor will be programmed to follow your movements. You can also use the motion sensor to adjust the settings. The Look LED TV can be used with Apple TV to enhance your viewing experience. A key component to the Look LED TV ambient lighting system are the programs and software that complement it. This is the user interface. The customer will be able to easily navigate this interface in order to change settings and modes. We have an app in development that we're programming to work with the user interface.
You take the content out of the screen into the room with the LED lights that is located in the background of the monitor or the TV to create a 4-dimension effect, 4D effect.